Prabowo Subianto becomes the new president of Indonesia, his leadership will likely spark a mix of hope and concern among the public. As someone who has long been influential figure in Indonesian politics,
DJ Nasuya.
his residency could bring much needed stability, especially in time of economic and political uncertainty. His strong nationalistic stance focused on prioritizing Indonesian sovereignty and economic self-reliance could resonate deeply with many Indonesians who feel that the country needs to reclaim control over its research and industry. Prabowo military suggests a leader who is disciplined, decisive, and committed to national security. For those who value strong leadership, this could be seen as a positive trait, especially as Indonesia faces various challenges, both domestically and its international relations. His past, however, is undeniably controversial, particularly regarding human rights allegations. It's not reality that's gonna be ignored, and many would understand the bill feel uneasy about the potential erosion of democratic principles and freedom under a more authoritative style of governance. That said, Prabowo more moderate approach in recent years should has been his cooperation with President Jokowi in the Defense Ministry offer a glimmer of hope that they might be able to set aside his past confrontation and work toward uniting the country.
Presiden
It's
Joko Widodo
encouraging to see that
mengalahkan
he
saya.
is capable of political pragmatism, which could
Berapa kali ya? Saya
bode
lupa.
well for Indonesia future, especially if he can rise above
Tapi
past
begitu
division
beliau menang,
and prove that values democratic
Beliau menang, ya.
institution and much
Beliau mengajak
as
saya
reduce
bersatu.
national pride. His presidency might not be easy. The
Dan
political
saya
landscape in
menerima
Indonesia differs
ajakan
and
itu.
challenge for
Sekarang
Prabowo would
saya yang
be
menang.
to build bridge between the various factions,
Dan saya
balancing
mengajak
his
semua pihak,
nationalistic
ayo bersatu.
inclinations with the country needs inclusivity and respect for human rights. For many, this will be real test of his leadership. Can he lead with strength and authority without sacrificing the values that underpin Indonesian democracy?
Kita punya presiden belum dilantik sudah menggemparkan khazanah geopolitik dan politik luar negeri dengan pidato-pidatonya. Ini kelahiran Soekarno baru, mudah-mudahan. Ya, second layernya harus.
In the end, while Prabowo presidency might generate a sense of optimism for some, it will undoubtedly raise concerns for others. His ability to navigate this tension will determine whether his leadership can live up to the hopes of an hopeful and prosperous Indonesia, or whatever will be seen as a step back for the country's democratic journey. Only time will tell. Hello, my name is Muhammad Agim. My class is 19 1A 707. Oke, kali ini saya akan memberikan materi tentang simple present tense. What is meant by present tense? Present tense is a form of time in English that is used to describe current event or circumstance, habit, or general truth. The present tense consists of several forms, each of which has its own function in conveying information about the time and nature of the action or state being described. Simple present. Simple present tense is a form of time in English that is used to express habits, fact, or event that occur repeatedly or generally. In the simple present tense, the verb usually remains in base form. Example, hit the parent. Jadi yang pertama itu I buy a car. I itu jadi example yang pertama itu untuk kita. Jadi I buy a car. Saya membeli sebuah mobil gitu. Saya membeli sebuah mobil, I buy a car. Sedangkan yang ke example kedua, he buys a car. Jadi he itu untuk dia. Jadi he buys a car, dia membeli sebuah mobil gitu. Jadi he buys a car. Jadi he itu untuk dia, I itu untuk saya gitu. Jadi subject verb. He itu untuk laki-laki. She itu untuk perempuan. It itu untuk rame-rame. Jadi subjek di sebelah sini adalah kata dari berbagai penggalan untuk semuanya gitu. Verb S. Jadi kalau by itu untuk tunggal. Jika verbs plus S, menurut saya, jadi S itu kenapa bisa ditambah? Karena beli berbagai macam gitu. Subjek he, she, XO. Verbs plus S goes. Example, he goes to school. Jadi dia pergi ke sekolah. He goes to school. Dia pergi ke sekolah. Negative sentence example. I don't buy a pen. Saya tidak membeli pulpen. Nah, yang kedua, he doesn't buy a pen. Dia tidak membeli pulpen. Dia doesn't tidak beli sebuah pulpen. Okay. Use of the simple present. To express routine things or activities that are carried out repeatedly. Time marker. Always, seldom, sometime, every week, every day, every afternoon. Okay. Example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. My father goes to the office every day at 6 o'clock. Jadi yang example pertama itu saya bangun pada jam 6 setiap hari. Example kedua, ayah saya pergi ke tempat kerja setiap hari pada jam 6. Fact. The state fact recognized by everyone. Example, fire is hot. Water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Use from command of prohibition sentence imperative. Example, close the door. Tutup pintunya. Open the window. Buka pintunya. Be careful. Hati-hati. Use to discuss plans or schedule in the future to have a time future closer to the now. Example, The party starts soon. Jadi, party akan dimulai besok. The second train arrived his night at 7 o'clock. Kereta kedua akan datang pada malam ini pada jam 7. Question. We goes with my brother. Is there something wrong? Thank you. Terima kasih, jika ada kesalahan mohon dimaafkan.